Hey, how to install a WEBTOON Comics app on your phone. So just tap to download or tap get button. And then from here, you'll just be able to install this app. It's one of the top apps to read comics, manga, manhwa, thousand or creator on comics anytime, one of the top apps. And then you can just set it up the account. And then, yeah, here you can just see top series. You can just go there. And then you can just, for example, go here. And then that's basically the idea. You can just browse around and see some popular series. It's pretty nice made app. Then you can just see originals. You can see canvas. You can see your account, and then you can just see more. So there you have it.